Hey, hey. So today I treated our good friend, sometimes bad friend, AFRM. So it was running up. I thought I caught a reversal on it here, but in retrospect, I probably should not have taken that trade. But anyway, so I felt like, because there was if you look at the 5 minute here, there was a lot of selling pressure. It did get back up, but there's an indecision here. Good volume on the long side. So as it collapsed, did an engulfing pattern. I thought this was it. This is a reversal. It was, the moving averages looked like they're about to cross. So I took it on the short side, but I set my stop above this level here, or right at this the bottom of where it's kind of chopping around here. So it popped, and then I got out. So I didn't play it. I wanted to play another ticker, BNTX, but eventually what happened was I saw that maybe I should look at the 5 minute here. It's basically getting stopped at this area here. So as I was getting stopped up here, it did make it tried to make a run down here, and then it made a push back up, but then it looked like it was weak on level two. And then historically it keeps getting pushed down at around this area. So I took it on the short side again. My stop would be break of that level, 122.75, and then it collapsed. So it dropped, and then that's when I covered. It looks like it's gonna probably consolidate a bit around this level before it's going to drop even further down to like maybe the 118, 119 line. We'll see. So that's it. That's my trade on AFRM. So I made back the loss from the stop out. And then on BNTX, I took a small size here for the break, just because it looks like it was coming down. I added to it as it popped with a clear stop above this area, and that's exactly what happened, right? It broke through, it did come down, it broke through that, so I stopped out. But that's fine to get stopped out. I think that's good practice, because otherwise you blow up your account. On the way back down again, I took the same trade, shorted it, and then I set my stop above I think the 200 moving average up here. Then as it broke down and collapsed, I covered my position. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the trade. And also, if you look at the 5 minute where I currently have my arrow here, as you see, there's volume. I'm trying to incorporate more and more of the volume price analysis into my trading, thanks to Thor from the community I'm part of, Bearable Traders. I'm trying to incorporate that for my trades, and I feel like it's helping me out quite a bit. So this piece, volume comes in, small candlestick. There's a very small candlestick on the short side. I mean small volume, not a lot of action. And then when the volume picked up on the short side, it collapsed. That's when I took it on the short, and that's how I was able to capitalize on the reversal. On top of that, is this stock is up like 5-6% before, maybe even more actually, probably 7% when it was up here, up 16-17 bucks. See what BNTX is. BNTX. Yeah, so average true range $19. It was about that. So it's probably in its ATR range. So at some point, it's not going to be sustainable. Also on the 15-minute too, an interesting thing is form the new 15-minute low. So it's there's a lot of harmonious chart patterns going on here. So and it's at its VPOC as well on the 60-minute with volume. So lots of good indication that this is a good short. All right, thanks everyone. Hope you guys have a good day, and see you tomorrow.